Hello, it's Bryn here from SnowEx International. Today we are here with the Drop 600 from SnowEx. It offers a professional solution for your gritting needs. It's more precise than a traditional broadcast spreader as it drops directly onto the ground, reducing overspread onto curbs or grass or verges. This makes it ideal for applications such as car parks, pavements and other narrow, tight areas that you need to grit. It has a 170 litre capacity, which allows you to grit large areas without constant refilling, making it perfect for professional applications. It has a 91 centimetre drop width, making it perfect for traditional pavements and walking areas. The drop width has been specifically chosen by SnowEx as it allows the salt to spread as the snow and ice begins to melt, meaning that it will spread without damaging turf and grass areas at the edge of pavements. The Drop 600 handles common spreading materials such as salt, sand and other granular de-icing products without any issues. It comes with a digital in-cab controller with variable speed, allowing light applications and heavy-duty de-icing operations. One of the features of the Drop 600 is a built-in bag splitter on top of the grill, which enables you to drop the bag on and drag it across, tearing the bag and emptying the salt in, making it nice and quick and easy to refill. Has a built-in mechanical vibrator, allowing constant flow and no downtime. At the end of the shift, if you have salt still left in the machine, don't leave it in the machine as it can corrode the moving parts. So the Drop 600 has this built-in wastegate, which enables you to dump out the salt that's left in the machine directly into a hopper or directly onto the pile. This is suitable for both compact tractors, UTVs and pickup truck applications. It comes standard with both the 3-point link mount and the 2-inch receiver hitch, suitable for both ATV and pickup truck applications. To summarise, the Drop 600 from SnowEx is perfect for professional gritting application, suitable for sand, grit and other granular de-icing products. It has a stainless steel corrosion resistant build, making it perfect for even the harshest of winter conditions and built for multiple use over multiple seasons. Please feel free to get in touch with us at SnowEx International for pricing and availability. Thank you.